What's going on, ladies and gents? The Dawn of God's IDO is happening in about 12 hours, so we gotta talk about this. Now, this video is gonna serve as both a guide to get into the Dawn of God's IDO, and then after, it'll still be relevant as a guide to get into any launchpad and to participate in the KINGPAD Launchpad specifically. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, you are in the right place. Let's get right into it. If you haven't heard of this, IDOs, IGOs, this game is about to raise money on a private launch sale, and it's only going to launch on two networks right here. Dawn of Gods only available on KINGPAD and KINGPAD. Now I am already staked in here. I have the bottom tier already ready. Essentially, if you want to be able to buy these coins at a private price on a launch pad, you need to stake the token of the launch pad, and a certain number of them will get you a certain tier, which will give you a certain allotted amount of tokens that you can buy, which is precisely what I'm doing. So if you scroll down on KINGPad has 3 different tiers, and they each come with a pool weight and a guaranteed allocation. So this is the one that I have. You saw I have 11,000 KINGPad tokens. 10,000 KINGPad tokens will run you $256. So if you guys wanted to participate in the minimum pool weight, you'd have to go into Binance Smart Chain on PancakeSwap, buy yourself 10,000 KINGPad tokens, come to KINGPad.co and stake those tokens right here, which you'll earn a 16% APY on, but that's not why I'm in it. I have my tokens staked in order to be a part of that private pool. So tomorrow I will come in here, the sale countdown, 22 hours. So this is when this releases. This is when you guys will be able to access the private sale, where they will be raising money and they will be selling 11 million of these tokens at a very small discounted price. Now I'll get myself as many tokens as I can on this allocation. You just need to be in here with your wallet connected and make sure that you have BNB available to purchase it. Now, a minimum pool weight's probably not going to get you that much. You're probably only going to be able to buy maybe $50 or $100 worth of this stuff. But as you can see in past project performance here, if you look at some of these Flocky fam, 6,100% this thing wins. 9,900%, 2,600%, 407%, 1,800%, 9,900%. See what I'm saying? So, like, these things can go astronomically far. A $100 investment can easily turn into $3,000 when you invest in launch pads. This looks like a good game. I don't know about these two. These two have not done anything. They've just been sitting here, coming soon, coming soon. I've been waiting and waiting because I've been on KINGPAD for a while now. But this game, I saw the game pop up. I looked over the game. The game looks fantastic. It looks promising. And I'm going to pick up as many of these tokens on here as they allow me to. Now it says it's also available on KINGPAD. If you guys want to get it on KINGPAD instead, you guys can come on over here to KINGPAD, KINGPAD.co, same thing. The most royal games on BSC, right? Offers IGO investors early access to games and metaverses. Become the king of the castle, right? So when you come on down here, here's their tiers. 50 crown, 250 crown, and 1500 crown. And you see the pool weight's different, but essentially it's exactly the same. They're just each missing a 0, but it's pretty well basically the same thing. If we want to come over here and see that minimum pool weight of 50, $276. So as opposed to your 257 for your minimum pool weight on KINGPAD, you will come on over here to your minimum pull weight 276. So essentially for about $530, you guys will be able to participate in both launch pads, both the KINGPAD and the meme pad, and secure yourself some DAGO from both, in which once you get your allocation, you will be able to take your coins and put them into your wallets, and then you can go in, play your game. You can buy heroes with these coins, or mind you, I'm pretty sure the coins are going to go up in price from the opening price, the price that they're raising the money from. You're probably going to get a decent little return off that. So if you could secure yourselves a couple $100 of these coins, you might get a nice juicy return, and it might even be worth it for you just to sell the coins right then and there. That may be what I do with a portion of my bag. I may sell a portion of this bag, like I may sell the meme pad half for profit and then take the KINGPAD half and use that to actually play the game. Because if I could get a nice discount, I can make myself a hero, and this is click to earn. So I mean, like, if they give me some discounted coins and I can come in here and make myself some heroes and stuff, if it's worth it to actually play the game to make the passive income, I would prefer to do that over taking a one-time quick easy profit out of it. Everything looks pretty juicy here. This game looks nice. I know a lot of people that would love to play a fun looking game like this. So provided they're not full of SHIT and they know what they're talking about and they're actually serious. Mind you guys, if you guys go through all of this, it's not financial advice. I can care less if you buy Dawn of Gods or DAGO or anything. But if you go through all this and you love this, if you check out their Twitter, their Telegram, and you see, man, this is a really cool game and you're bullish on it and you really want to get your hands on a lot of DAGO tokens, mind you that since it's on these pads, you can come on into here and you can get the maximum pull weights if you're a big dog. Now, I'm not going to do that, but if you're the big dog, you can do this. You know, it's going to cost you, for the maximum pull weight, $8,300 on KINGPAD. They don't keep these coins, you're just staking these coins. So this money's not gone. Essentially, you're letting them hold your $8,300 in their token while you participate in the Launchpad. They're raising money for DAGO. You get to participate in the DAGO as the reward for staking your tokens with their pad. Now, if you didn't want to do the 1,500, maybe, you know, you're a middle dog, maybe you only want to do the 250, you know, this isn't too bad. I could afford this. Honestly, I had thought about doing this. I was actually going to show you guys exactly how to get some KINGPAD. In order to get some KINGPAD, if you want to get some KINGPAD is on the Binance Smart Chain Network, BEP20 token. You can copy the address. It's on the BNB. Make sure you're in your Smart Chain MetaMask wallet. And look at, so there's only 50 million of these tokens. So this token, like, look at the market cap on this, 5 million market cap. So I mean, like, perhaps this might not be a bad token to hold. I actually meant to buy some somewhere in here. It was low fours. I was going to buy this and I didn't buy it. I should have bought some because, you know, a game like this would have come out and I would have been able to participate instantly. But alright, so how do we get KINGPAD? Best way I know how to get stuff like this, you know, stuff like this, meaning Binance Smart Chain tokens, would be on here on pancakeswap.finance/swap, where you'll take that contract address that you just copy and you'll paste it right in here. Crown, there it is, KINGPAD. Just pops up, you hit import, understand, import, cool. Now, mind you, we want to get our hands on how many tokens? 50 crown tokens we need. I'm going to reduce my slippage. You don't need You don't need to have a really high slippage with this one. Those really high slippage ones are for those itty bitty tiny little coins. Hopefully 6% slippage works for this transaction. We're going to test it out and we're going to see. I'm also going to add and say I'm going to get 55 tokens instead of 50, because sometimes PancakeSwap pockets a portion of your tokens for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's disgusting. I even think I should do 56 of these. I'm going to do 56 tokens so that way I can make sure that I'm not going to get boned out over here. Alright, confirm transaction. Cool. Transaction submitted. So we are on our way to having our crown tokens. Right here, transaction receipt. You can go view it on BSC scan. If we want to go ahead and click on that, it's indexing. So this is what happens while it's in the process. Once it's finished, it'll say success and it'll say green right here, and then we'll be able to check back in our MetaMask wallet to make sure that we got our KINGPAD tokens. There it is, success. Cool, for 56 KINGPAD. So I got 56 KINGPAD. Probably didn't need 56 KINGPAD, but whatever. Alright, 56. Wow, what a number. What kind of number is that? Well, I bought 56 KINGPAD. I got 56 crown, but it's acting like I've got 56 million crown. Look at this. 56 million crown. Wow. Is this a glitch or what, guys? Let's see if we can swap this back for some tokens. It was like, nah, bro. Nah, bro, you don't have $370 trillion. No, but we know I don't actually have that many because it says it right here. This knows the truth in the transaction. So we've only got 56 and that's how it's going to stay. Now that we've got our 56 out of 50 that we need, it's time to come back to KINGPAD. This is when we decide to stake our tokens, right? So we're going to go ahead in the app. You have to hit app, go into app.kingpad.co, staking, right? Cool. So now we're here. Goblins, knights, kings. It's amazing. It almost seems like you'd be able to have 2 of these. Alright, go ahead and unlock wallet MetaMask. We're going to have to go ahead and unlock our wallet for KINGPAD. Now we've connected. We've got 56 crown. It knows how much crown we have. 129% APY. Does that sound bad or what? Alright, stake to participate. Let's go ahead and stake to participate. Cool. Confirm. We're going to go ahead and confirm that. And so this should automatically give me the goblin tier as soon as I have my 50 crown tokens staked in the KINGPAD pool. And if it gives me the goblin, your crown funds have been staked in the pool. See, there we are. Your stake, it's right there. 1 goblin, see that? Now that is pretty cool. Now I'd like to see if I get a second goblin. That's what I'm curious about now. We need to make sure that we've got enough BNB to actually participate in the allocation. So we're gonna stick right here where we're at with 1 goblin and our minimum tier over here on MemePad for 10,000. So we'll get a pool weight of 10 over here, and then we'll get a pool weight of 1 over here. And then tomorrow when this releases, so check it out, this one launch countdown, this one is releasing in 21 hours. Is at the same time I would be here early so that way you can make sure that everything is all good, and then you can get yourself some DAGO tokens so that way you can come on over here into Dawn of Gods and you can play your beautiful game, your brand new click to earn NFT game. So I hope you guys got some good value out of this. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow during the IDO.